Ahem, gather round, little ones. It's I, old Bristlewing, keeper of fairy lore and weather wisdom. Let me tell you a tale of how we fairies learned to dance with the storms. Once upon a time, not so long ago, we fairies feared the rain and thunder. At the first drop, we'd scurry and hide. But young Dewdrop was different. She wondered why we always hid from something so intriguing.
Why are we so afraid?
And so, with a heart full of courage and eyes full of wonder, Dewdrop set out to unravel the mysteries of the storm. Dewdrop's curiosity led her out into the rain, and oh, what wonders she found.
It's beautiful!
She discovered that raindrops could be like tiny crystal balls, each one reflecting a magical world, and the lightning, well, that was nature's own light show. Dewdrop couldn't keep this joy to herself. She showed us all how to dance with the storms. And now, dear children, when you hear thunder, it might just be us fairies throwing a magnificent sky party. So remember, little ones, sometimes the most magical things happen when you dance in the rain. And that, my dears, is the tale of how we fairies learned to love the storms. Now off to bed with you, and may your dreams be filled with enchanted rain dances.